Mabuhay! I'm Canaloriti Balaba, a hospitality management student from University of the East Manila. I learned that the cultural diversity is about recognizing, respecting, and valuing difference in people's backgrounds, beliefs, values, and ways of life. Cultural shapes how people think, communicate, and behave, and it can be a material or non-material, tradition, or global. I also learned that a culture has a layer such as tradition, subculture, and a cultural universal that explains both our difference and shared human behavior in tourism and hospitality. Culture diversity is especially important because people from the different culture work and interact together every day. Understanding culture distance and a cultural variable helps organization avoid misunderstanding, promote inclusion, strength, teamwork, and deliver better service. Overall, respecting cultural diversity leads to harmony, creativity, and more communication in any environment. Choose hospitality management, choose you in Manila.